So I have my Fluke 87. I'm holding the two probes in my hand and it's reading minus 40 some millivolts DC, right? I'm going to twist these cables because we got to stretch them out. Okay. Over here in the flower bed, at the base of this flower's root or trunk, I have the garden hose. And when I turn the water on over here, water's going to come out the hose. And I have been running water already. I'm going to take the negative probe of the multimeter and push it down into the earth. So when I turn water on, water is going to come up the water main, which is PVC, right? It's like 200 feet of underground PVC out to the road. Turns up PVC there, turns into copper to go into the house, and then it's going to go through this hose and make its way out right there. And the water is going to be in contact with your other course. So what are we doing? This is PVC pipe, and if I put the positive probe on the PVC pipe right now, we get a potential change. We see 3 maybe millivolts DC. Okay, check this out. I'm going to turn the water on. The PVC pipe is remaining dry, right? Water is now running through the hose. It's running out over there. Yep. Okay, watch this. Look at the change in the amplitude of the potential difference between, I'm going to say, the inside of the PVC pipe and the outside of the PVC pipe. Because by having the negative probe in the earth, and we're now wetting the earth, we're sort of bonding the inside of the pipe to the outside of the pipe. So watch what happens if I turn the water flow up. Interesting, huh? See, watch what happens if I really turn it up. I'm opening the valve, letting more water out.